Hello. Well, you find me at another port. What kind of port? Portsmouth. We're in Portsmouth, and we are going to Bilbao. So we're going to get on a boat for about 30 hours, and when we get off, we'll be in Spain.
Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
You don't see that every day. It's one way to get to Spain. A little three-seater. Hello, I just come to see this vehicle.
Hello there, how are you doing?
What is it? It's fantastic. That's what it is. But
thank you. It's a Pendleton.
is it a reproduction like
I built it myself, man.
It's really cool.
With a Citroen 2 CV engine.
Yeah, that's really cool. And there's a little engine. Yeah,
Yes.
it's really good. And what are you going to do? Just drive around in Spain?
I'm heading to the east coast. I have a little sailing boat there. So
Okay.
I'm going to go and leave her there for a while.
Wow, that's one way to travel, man. That's cool. Really cool. Good luck. Well done.
Thank you.
That's cool. Ooh, good morning. Alright, it's 7:30 and you find us in a cabin in the middle of the ocean on a big ferry. So we left last night, Portsmouth, 10 o'clock, and we're heading towards Bilbao in Spain. So yeah, we ordered a little cabin, and this is our little cabin. It's pretty good. It's a 4-bunker. Mel's down there. She don't want you to see her because it's first thing in the morning. And here's the bathroom there. Pretty good. And it's our first time in an overnight cabin on a ferry, so we didn't know what we were doing. So I was running backwards and forwards to the van and everything, getting all the water, bought my kettle up, everything, coffee. So yeah, that's us right now. So, and it's really swaying about. It's been swaying about for a while. So gonna go out on the top deck in a bit and have a look how bad and rough the sea is. But for now, coffee. Curiosity getting the better of me. I've made my coffee, and now I want to go out on the deck. That's not too bad. That's all right. Just looking. They're just scrubbing the deck. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's a bit blustery. It is blustery. I don't want to go any higher. I haven't got my sea legs yet. Built in China. China Merchants Jinlin Shipyard in 2020. So this old beast is 6 years old. Good morning. It is 5:45 UK time on Tuesday morning, and 30 hours later we're finally near. So this is where we are. So this is the old interactive map. Obviously that's where we started, down here somewhere. Yeah. And we've gone all the way around here, all the way into the Bay of Biscay, and we are now here, just off the coast of Spain, and not far away from Bilbao. Yeah, and there is Spain, Bilbao. So we've been off the ferry for about an hour. We've fully fueled up the van, so that's all topped up. Got some AdBlue in it as well. It's mad blue. And found a big old supermarket. Didn't bore you with that, but yeah. So filled our cupboards with food, and we are now heading from Bilbao to Tomar in Portugal. So we got about 6.5 hours of Spanish highways and 679 kilometers. So we're gonna stop somewhere for lunch, but yeah, it's 4 to the floor all the way to Tomar. Just done a quick stop. It's 12, just gone 12 o'clock. Found a little, I don't know what you call this place, but somewhere in Spain on the way to Portugal.
Can you clean up this?
I caught that big electric discharge, yeah, the light bulb. So we are in Portugal. We found a beautiful little campsite near Tomar, and I mean, it's lovely. They've got a house over there, and then they've got all this space, and they get their own food going on. They grow their own food over there. Obviously that's us there, and yeah, really nice amongst nature. Really beautiful little place, run by a Dutch couple. So really nice. Look at this. Bit cold now. It rained earlier, but what a great spot, eh? Just out in the middle of nature. Listen to the birds. Yeah. There we go. And there's Mel making up some meatballs. So we're cooking these outside because obviously onions and whatnot, you don't want the van smelling of grease and onions. Well, some people don't mind, but we do. We're not animals, are we, babe? The motorbike's in there, ready for adventure tomorrow. Here's the setup. Obviously the bed hasn't been installed yet, but yeah, the bare bones. Got the new chair span round there. Can't really see it, it's a bit dark, but yeah, not a bad setup. Good morning, YouTube. So it's about 8 o'clock, and just put the bedding away, push the other bed up, and it is glorious out there. Mel's out there doing a bit of limbering up. But what a day. What a beautiful cold morning, but what a beautiful morning. Absolutely wonderful in nature. So yeah, gonna get the coffee on, get the bike out, and head to Tomar. Right, so we are in Tomar, and this is Convent of Christ. This is all built by Knights Templar. The whole city of Tomar is built by Knights Templar, and the whole of Portugal was established by the Knights Templar. So yeah, so this is the Convent of Christ. There you go. So that's our Templar complex. This is built in the same shape as the Holy Sepulchre in Jerusalem. place actually feels more holy than, believe it or not, Vatican, because the people that came here, the Templars, they gave up everything, all their worldly possessions, to be warrior monks. And it actually feels more holy, more sacred. You're gonna just imagine them here. Look at that. They actually gave up everything to follow their beliefs. It's incredible. That is incredible. That is something else. So this was all designed and built by Templars. This is incredible. This is the bit that was built by the Templars. Wow, look at that. Missing. Templar cross. Look at that. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, look at that. They were busy. Look at that. My goodness. Hello. Okay, so when we look at this, this is where we are. Interesting place. But the name written in biro here is where the initiation well is. So this isn't where the initiation well is. But this is where we are. So we're in the park outside this palace. And it's a bit crazy everywhere around here. Is a little bit crazy. We're really high. And we had to walk all these stairs and hills, but yeah, it's quite something. We're going up there.
Porque ahora entrará todo eso, entrará de golpe. Y claro, tú si te has puesto ahí y no te has enterado, pues cuando llegues ahí al pasar el QR no te dejarán pasar.
Yeah, it's busy.
Si no, no tiene ningún sentido.
Obviously, we can't get in there till 4:30, and it's now 12:30, so we're not going in there. And it's not got the initiation well. So we're going to leave here now. We're going to have a little walk around the gardens, get our money's worth, and then go to the initiation well, which is in a different palace. There's just too many palaces. That's what the problem is with this place. It's like, oh no, it's in a different palace. All right. This place is incredible. Look at this. It's just some random house. Incredible place. Wow, this is where we're going. This is the initiation well. What is that, Rolls Royce again? Rolls.